Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of number 5, this is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. First derivative of x to the power of 3, we have 3x squared dx. Because we don't have number 6, that is about number 2 and number 3. So we need to divide both sides by number 6. This one we change by u. X squared dx we change by du over number 6. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So we applied the formula in here. So number 6 and number 9, we have 1 over 54. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of x to the power of 3 plus x plus 1. Later that we put the power 2 for the both sides. So we need to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u squared, we have 2u du. First derivative of x to the power of 3, we have 3x squared. First derivative of x, we have number 1. Next, we multiply both sides by number 2. And number 2. And number 2, we multiply by number 3 and positive number 1. Now, the square root, that is about u. This one with the x, we change by for u du. So u divided by u, we have number 4. And we have for u. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.